Welcome to Upgrade. Let's take a look at some of the products of CES 2025. Alright, look at this monitor. LED light in the bottom.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
So this right here is the xDrill. It's the first ever smart digital power drill. It's going to be launched second half of this year, and it's got this beautiful touchscreen display. Through the display, you can access a range of different functions and features. So right off the bat, you can see there's a positioning ring. So essentially, it guides you straight, or you can go in plumb to the material. What you can also do is go into the menu, set up a custom angle, say 45 degrees. Now it's actually going to guide you, so see, it's going to be off until I go to that 45. Once I get to the 45,
that's tight. That is tight. I like that.
Yeah, let me get there right about. Come on, there we go. So you got that 45 there. Go back. You also have a software-powered depth stop. So essentially, that'll allow you to set up how deep you want to drill into material using this laser in the front. So I'll go into the menu and say I want to drill. I'll just leave it just under an inch for now. I'll set that up. You're going to see the laser's going to shoot out.
That is.
I'm going to position it, start drilling. And
it stops.
My finger's still pressed right now. Yeah, so it's stopped by itself.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, and I'm going to let go, pull it out. So it's all automated at that point. Besides that, there's also, of course, custom speed settings you can set up.
The RPMs.
There's custom torque you can set up. You can set up presets if you have preset settings that you just want to keep all around at all times. And then we also have some cool torque options. This is more applicable to driving screws or nuts, but this is anti-strip technology. So you turn that on, you can adjust sensitivity, and essentially it'll read the drastic changes in torque. So for instance, if you're driving in a screw and you're about to slip, it'll actually sense that before you damage anything and pull back. And again, you can adjust sensitivity on that. And then last but not least, you can also do things like torquing to an output angle. So you can go and say, I want to torque it to 120 degrees. And you can just set that up like so. And watch the chuck go and it'll beep when it's done. So you got that torquing capabilities too. That again, it's going to be more applicable to the impact driver, which is going to follow the xDrill. But yeah, that's kind of the drill in a nutshell. There's going to be some other features and functions as we get closer to.
That's pretty advanced, man. That's pretty advanced. I like that. It's very precise drilling. This one. This is perfect instead of buying the extra tools, measurement.
Okay. If you want to as well.
Yeah, but
so
a real life use, I would say.
Real life use. Yeah. If you just want to start and go without having to do any input settings or whatever, that's definitely doable.
The only time I see where this has to be 100% used to the maximum point is when you're precise area cutting, drilling, all that. So, for example, I came from a construction background. That's why I know a little bit more than I should, Battery life on this one.
Yeah.
Because I see that the battery is not...
It's a 5-cell.
Yeah, it's a 5-cell.
It's a 5-cell. We're going to have
20 volts.
Yeah, 20 volts, 5-cell. We will have 10-cell batteries as well.
LED light, how do you turn it on from there?
It's actually not engaged right now. Our guys, our engineers turned it off on purpose.
Okay, for battery. For
battery, but it's right down here.
What's this in the bottom?
This is our proprietary unlocking system for the battery. So because a lot of the brands don't patent their ways of removing and putting on the batteries, we have to come up with our own unique way. So either way, it doesn't matter which way you do it, but you can just go and pull it off. And super easy to use. And then these tell you the battery charge.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool.